how to use the auto layouts to create a views such that this view can be suited to the all the devices, like we have iPhone 4s, iPhone 5, iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 plus, and also iPad 1 and iPad 2, right? So for all these devices, application should be suitable, right? To achieve that, we need to follow a concept called auto layouts. What is that? Auto layouts. So first we will start with a simple example. So I have Xcode 6.1. So then create a new project, single view application. It's somehow slow. Next, auto layout example. What is that? Auto layout example. Give this name everywhere. So use Objective C language. Next, create a project in any folder. Right? Create here. See, now I want to create a button at the bottom of the view. I want to create what? Button at the bottom of the view. Right? Select this. See here. Select some size like 3.5 inches. This is the view. So now I want to place the button very bottom of the view. Just understand what is the problem if you are not using auto layouts. Then we will see how to use the auto layouts, right? I just drag and drop the button at the bottom. Now see, go here, 50, 200 or 250. Go change the background color. So here is that background color to same color. So now you can see this much VV there. So now we have many kinds of devices. Just run in the iPhone 4s. Right? So the height of the iPhone 4s is 480. Same way iPhone 6 is 568. So now it is running. It will take some time. See the simulator, you can see the simulator is running. So now you will get the button at the bottom, right? So why it is coming at the bottom? If you run in any device, it will be in the bottom. Why? Because we take it as a 3-inch screen, like only 4-inch screen. For example, if you take a 5-inch screen and you click this button in the bottom of that view, then run in the 4-inch screen, that button is nowhere visible. That button is nowhere visible. So now you can see this button in the bottom, right? So now what I am doing here, I go to here, I select the view controller, I go to this, I go to here, then sorry, here I need to change that here only, right? Instead of 3 point, I will go for 4.7 inch screen. Then I made it to down. Now I made it to down. Now run in the 4-inch screen or iPhone 4s, right? iPhone 4s is 3.5-inch screen. Now you are not able to see the See the button at the top. But you run in the iPhone 6, you will see this. If you run in the iPhone 6 or iPhone 6 Plus, you can see this, right? So go for iPhone 6 Plus, run it. Stop this, run it. So now running this application, you need to wait for some time. So now it is visible at the bottom, right? So you run in the iPhone 6, you will see that also, right? Go for iPhone 6, stop this 6 Plus, run this. So it takes some time, you change the device. Now it is visible. So it is visible in the bigger screen, it is not visible in the smaller screen, right? So we need to make it to visible in all the screens. To achieve this, we have a concept called what? Auto layouts. What is that? Auto layouts, right? So now select your button. We have a one thing called pin over here. Select this pin, and don't select the margin, remove it. Here select this one. So 20%, 20 pixels you are saying, gap at the bottom, right? So now add this constraint, right? So now if you see here, there is a gap bottom, right? And it is asking how much the gap is left, how much gap it is right. If you want, you can specify how much gap the left and right, or else you can mention alignment horizontal center, so that this button is going to be center horizontal and bottom is 20 pixels gap, right? Go to one more thing, we have align. What is that? Align, right? What is that? Select here. So this is align horizontal center in container. What is that? Horizontal center in container. Select this, add constraint, horizontal center in container, right? Now same way you can add width constraints or height constraint. Select this pin again, select this pin again. Now see, width how much you want, height how much you want. Width is 250, height is this much. Add two constraint, right? Now run in the small device. Now run in the small device. 4s. Now if you run any device, the bottom gap is what? How much? 20 pixels, and button is horizontal centrally aligned, right? So now, right now if you rotate it, command arrow mark, right arrow, left arrow, see, still in this rotation also, this is called landscape rotation. So now it is taking how much gap? 20 pixels only, and it is centrally aligned. The gap between this from here to the end, from here to the end is same, right? Now you understand how it is useful, right? So you can run any device, the gap is same and it is centrally aligned. If you go for any orientation, whether it is left or right or landscape, the bottom will be 20 and it is horizontally centered. Now I run this iPhone 4s device. Same way I want to run in iPhone 5s also. You can run any devices. The bottom is only 20 pixels. So using this auto layouts, what we are doing, we are designing the view which is suited to all the devices, right? So see, here also gap. Again you go rotate it, command up, down arrow mark, again the same place, right? So the basic concept is to create a view which is suited for all the different kind of devices, right? So now if you want to see, instead of running we can preview in all the devices, right? Go to which mode? Preview mode. Go to here, go to assistant editor, select here, select preview, Select auto, instead of automatic, see the preview, right? So now remove the screen, remove the screen. Here add the screens. There is a plus button, add the screen. If you want to see this how it look like in 3.5, so see in the 3.5 device the button look like. You want to see how it look like in the iPad, see the iPad it looks like this, right? We want to see iPhone 4 inch screen, we have seen iPhone 3.5 inch you can screen, right? Now see this iPhone 5.5 inch screen. So go to here and see iPhone 5.5. That means instead of running all that in all the devices, you can see the preview how it look like in different kinds of devices, right? So now you understand what is the basic thing of auto layout, right? In the next class, we will see the more about this auto layout, right? Thank you.